gosh, here I am, December 26th, to Hobby Lobby to see what is on sale, and the parking is already full, and it's only 9:30 in the morning. because I don't have box, I have bags, to see what I get in Hobby Lobby for the 66% off. So I'm gonna start with this one. Is the Christmas Party Heavy Duty Gift Wrap. $9.99 is the original price. You can see it. And I got 6% off. So I pay like $3.40 for it. Okay, so let's start here. I have this plate, a silver plate. This one is $4.99 original price, so I think I pay like $1.70 or something like that. Here it is. I got this to hang the Christmas ornaments on the Christmas tree, but I got it to use it to see what I can DIY it. $2.99. So I pay like $1 for it, or less than $1, I think. This one is $14.99. Is a silver glitter runner. It is a big roll. This is $14.99. So $14.99. Let me see. I can find it. Oh yeah, $5.10. Everything that is $14.99, I pay $5.10. So I want this to do some DIYs. Okay. Also for some DIYs, I got this pom-pom garland. I got 3 of them. It's $2.99, and I buy like 2 in Christmas with, I think it was the 40% off. Now I got it for the 66% off. So $2.99, I pay like $1 or maybe less than $1. And I have these 2 ribbon rolls. This one is completely gold, so I can use it for any project. This one has Christmas tree on it, so I'm gonna use it for next year. I don't know if for my tree or maybe for the garlands. The big one was $9.99, so I pay like $3.40 for it, and this was $7.99. So I think this one was $3. Okay, so now I have this Christmas tree. It's a small one. I don't know if I'm gonna use it on my kitchen next year or on my bedroom. This one is $14.99. So the $14.99, I pay $5.10 for it. It's a good price because it has like snow and glitter on it. Okay, and then I got this picks for projects. Original price $2.99. Let me see, $2.99 I pay. For the 3 of them is $1.02 each. For the 3 of them, I paid $3.06. Here, this is the most expensive thing that I got. Is a tree skirt. White, very soft. The original price is $35.99. So this one I pay $12.24. So that's the most expensive thing that I got. I don't know if I'm gonna use it for under the tree or in a table or any project that I do for next year. Okay, so Here I got some pigs because I want to do this theme next year. So this theme of candies. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it, like I said before, in my kitchen or in my bedroom. Okay, so I got one of this because they only have one. They don't have enough stuff in Hobby Lobby. So this one was $5.99 original price. This one was $4.99. I got two of them. It's the only that they have. I got $3.99 and I got two of them. $3.99. So that was a good deal. Let me see. For the $2.99 I paid $1.02. For the, I'm looking at my receipt, $3.99 I pay for the two of them $2.72. And $4.99. Okay, for the $4.99 I pay for two of them $3.40 for this two. So there was a good deal, but I hope they have more so I can get more for my tree. Then I have two poinsettias. I got two of this. I got one this year for $3.99, the original price. And this one that I want for my kitchen to do a project. This one is from the gingerbread theme, and the original price is $8.99. I just got only one. Maybe I should have two of them, but I just got one. These things also, I love them. Sorry that I didn't unwrap them because they are glass and they are very delicate. So I'm gonna do it right here. Oh, I love this one. This one is glass, $9.99 from Robert Stanley Home Collection. I got two of those ones. Different. Let me see this one. So I want to show you the two of them. Here it is. The other one. They are different shape. So I got this two. Then I got this one. Is a candy, is also glass. Is $7.99. I got two of this. Oh, let me see what I got here. Oh, I got this beautiful Christmas ball ornament, $9.99 original price. The pink reindeer with the Christmas tree. The pink Christmas tree. Everything that was $9.99, I paid $3.40 for it. The $7.99, let me see my receipt. $7.99, it was $2.72, so I paid $2.72 for this one. Let's see what I got here. Oh, the other one, because I got two of those. Okay, I got two. And let's see, what is this one? Oh, this is all the macarons. Look how beauty. I want 2 of this, but there was only 1 at the store. $9.99 original price, so I paid $3.40 for it. And this one, oh, this is the pink Santa Claus ornament. $8.99 was the original price. So yes, that's all that I got in the 66% off. Like I said before, I wish they could have more stuff that I need, but they have a lot of garlands and a lot of ribbons and a lot of ornaments, but not the things that I was looking for. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one. Bye.